Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got two Shirogorov Pen / tool here with me for a quick comparison review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what these pens are. Let's just check the size, for example. Let's do it in inches. So they are like 4 inches long when closed for both. The weight is going to be a little bit different because this is made also with some marble carbon fiber around, which is going to be reducing the weight to 1.5 ounces. This guy is going to be 1.7 ounces because it's all titanium. This is titanium, of course, and marble carbon fiber. They're beautifully made pen tools because, yeah, these are pen, but also a Shirogorov tool that you can use to disassemble your Shirogorov knife. This one in particular is the Monkey Edge Frag pattern edition, so it's a Monkey Edge collaboration. In fact, you see this frag pattern is pretty recognizable, and this is the custom division right over here pen. So this is intended for production knives, big size, and this is the intended for custom division knives because they have different bits. So let's check them out. So you just unscrew this end over here, all right, and you're gonna have in the production pen you're gonna have two bits like that. In the custom division, you have also two bits, but they are different. All right. So, in fact, you have the same bit for the pivot, but you have different bits for the handle screw. Everything else is, let's say, the same. These bits, they just go right over here, and that's a magnetic attachment going on, so it's firmly in place. And they go one inside the other, and that's basically the same for both. And they go on inside over here. You just screw the cap in, and they're safely stored back together. If you want to use the pen, you just unscrew this size and twist it, and you just screw it in like so for this one, and same thing for this guy, just like that, and just screw it in like that. So overall, they're really nice pens, like really cool. They're nice. I mean, of course, very nicely machined. The feel in the hand is nice. Of course, lots of grip going on over here. These lines at the end are machined the same pattern going on, just like this is blue anodized, and this is just like I would say not bronze anodized, but it's kind of it's a nice subtle color. And of course, custom division has some beautifully made carbon fiber with a marble pattern. Look at that, guys. I mean, this is just outstanding, of course. And if you wanna refill, you just unscrew it here, and they just use regular cartridges, so you just are pretty much good to go. And they both work the same. So the main difference is that this one is carrying this bit for example, this kind of screw right over here, whereas the regular handle screw is just like a smaller version of the pivot screw. But you need to pay attention if you are in the market for one of these, because if you have a neon or a hation, maybe you wanna make sure that you get the one with the smaller bits, because for example, you see this is a neon 0, you see the bit that is needed is F95, it's different. So these are not gonna work for the neon. You might be better off buying like just a regular Shiro tool, which has 4 bits inside in this case, and is also carrying these 2 little ones. All right, so just make sure you get the right bit for the right tool for the right job, and you're gonna be good to go. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.